how to solve for subtraction, right? So I want you guys to remember, we're still solving for subtraction. So our standard today is I can solve subtraction word stories using a variety of strategies. What are some strategies that we've already used when doing subtraction? Who remembers? What are some strategies that we used to do subtraction?
X.
Yes, we X out things. What else do we do?
Use our fingers.
Yes, we use our fingers.
We count on.
Good. We count on. Very good. Go ahead, Naomi.
Minus.
Yes, we use the minus sign. Good job. What else do we do?
Thank you.
What else do we do? We use pictures, right? We use pictures. What else? What else can we use that we like to do at school?
Things.
Yes, we can count things like pennies, right, Guile? Pennies or cubes. Cereal. Good job. I know Maverick likes counting his cereals.
Blocks.
Yes, blocks. Cookies. Good. So we can solve using so many ways. Okay. Today we are going to use little froggies that look like this. We're going to have our little frog pond that looks just like this. Does everyone have a frog pond? Awesome. Okay, so we will be using a frog pond. And we also will be using a fun game that you'll be playing with your parents today. And it's called, oh sorry, I was doing ELA video. So let me put this on the side. All right. All right, boys and girls. So we will be using a fun game to play with our mom and dad. It's called Sort the Difference. Okay, so we'll have them be our partner. Say, hey, elbow partner, you're going to work with me today. Okay? Tell them. Say, you're my elbow partner, okay? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to need Sort the Difference, just like this, but we'll need this a little later, okay? A little later, okay? So if you have it, great. I will show you guys how to do it later, and you guys can do it after class, okay? So is everyone ready? Does everyone have their froggies? Before we move on, let's make sure everyone has their froggies because we'll need those. Awesome. So
I have my froggies.
oh, awesome. Oh, those look like froggies. Look at that. All right, guys. So we're going to work together and represent story problems with the frogs and then write the numbers to match the statement. Remember that when we do it, we might not write the number inside of here because if we write it, then we can't erase it. So I'm going to write my numbers right on the top so that way I don't write it on my paper yet. Okay? All right, here we go. Now, you guys use your froggies to count. Here we go. There were 5 froggies in the pond. How many froggies? 5. So put 5 froggies. I want everyone to put 5 froggies in your pond. 5 froggies in your pond. Everyone put 5 froggies in your pond.
There's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to take this.
Because he was
All right. So here's my 5 froggies in my pond.
What more, Jay? 2 more, Jay.
It's 5, not 3.
Oh, I did 5. You don't see my other 2? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Kaden. Oh, hold on, guys. Okay, Kaden, where's your Tito? Is he there? Hi, Tito. So TK is doing a video on YouTube right now. So he already did math. This is kinder math. He's gonna do It's called, it's a video on YouTube. Let me tell you what it's called.
What?
It is,
The TK math?
no, not math. He already did math,
Oh.
right?
Yeah, he did.
Okay. It's called Connections on YouTube. It's called Connections.
Connection,
And
okay.
he's going to need this one, Tito.
What?
Look, this
The
one.
connection, okay. Got it.
It has a little horse, and it says
Yeah.
connected. Okay.
All right.
So
Thank
he'll
you.
be back at 11:30. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye, Keaton. All
Bye,
right.
Keaton.
Sorry, Kinder.
Bye.
Bye, Keaton. All right, guys. So we have 5 frogs in the pond, okay? Now, what happens when of all my 5, everyone has 5? I don't know if everyone has 5. So let me wait.
I still have frogs.
Good. You have frogs, Kirsten? What happens if 4 frogs hop out? 4 frogs hop out of the lake or the pond. How many hop out?
4. 4.
4. Okay, so let's make sure we take out how many?
4.
4. Good. So I'm going to put my extra frogs. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, now you got 1. 1.
Good job, Maverick. Yes, I only have 1 frog left because I had 4 frogs that hopped out. So I put all my frogs over there. Bye, froggies. I'll see you later.
Hi, froggies.
So now what does this look like, boys and girls, if we were going to write it in here? And don't write it because then we can't erase it, right? So what will that look like? Who can tell me what my equation will look like? What will my word problem look like? Good. 5.
Take away 4
Yes.
equals 1.
Very good. So on your paper, you can write 5 minus 4 equals 1. Also, it could be read 5 froggies minus 4 froggies. How many are left? How many are left?
1.
Good. Very good. So when we look at the equal, we can also say how many are left. Everyone say vocabulary word left. How many are left? Remember, that's a very important word because when you guys are doing your own word problems, it's not going to tell us, okay? So now I want you guys to do the next one with me, okay? Do your little, let me see.
Mamá, ¿qué terminar mis clases?
No,
Falta mucho, Milana.
falta mucho, déjame.
All right, Mariah, are you here, sweetheart? Because your mom just messaged me.
Where are you going?
Is she here? Mariah, your mom just messaged me and said, are you here? Mariah, no, she's not here. Okay, she'll come on soon. Her mom didn't know. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that one and do the next one. Here we go. Are we ready? All right. My story says that there were 10 frogs in my pond. How many frogs? That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Gotta keep adding some. 6.
Pues participa con eso, porque no hay de otra.
7.
Andy, tú tienes que participar tú también. Lo voy a hacer de
7. Connie, use your circles, okay? Use your circles and put 10. Put 10 on your table. How many,
Oh,
Connie?
Connie, I'm standing there.
How many did Miss D say, Connie? How many, Connie? 10. Everyone say 10 froggies in my pond. Let me count mine. 1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I have 10, Misty.
Good job, Marissa. I only have 8, so I gotta add more, okay? How many more do I need? All right. Does everyone have their 10?
Only the frogs can go in the pond because it's not going to be cold for the frogs.
All right. Here we go. Connie, did you put 10? So, Connie, on your table, I want to see 10 circles, okay? 10. How many? 10. Here we go. Let's count them. Make sure I have 10. 1, 2, 3,
Connie
4,
doesn't have
5,
all of
6,
these.
7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. All right. So,
I have 10, Miss D.
good job. So now what
I
we're
have
gonna
10.
awesome. Ready? Here we go. 5 of my froggies hopped out. Everyone say 5 froggies hopped out. Show me your 5 froggies that hopped out. How many hopped out?
5.
Good. Show me 5 that hopped out. Ready? Go ahead. Show me on your map. Everyone should show me that 5
Equals
froggies.
5. Equals 5.
Good. Very good.
Frogs hopped out.
How many
Get
froggies
them out
hopped
of the
out?
pot. Over here.
5. I gotta
Good.
get-
You guys are so smart. You
Hang
guys
up
are
the
so
line.
smart.
Right,
3.
Marissa, 5 frogs hopped out.
Okay.
So get 5 frogs out of this pot.
10 minus 5. I know, I'm trying to get them line.
All right. Good. So how many are left inside of my pond?
5.
Good. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Good job, boys and girls. Yes, I have 5 left inside of my pond. So if I was to write this, how would this look? If I wrote the numbers out, how should I write it out? Who can help me figure out my equation? All right, go ahead, Naomi.
Minus.
Okay. I need a minus sign. Good. What else do I need? What else do I need, Sophia? How about you, sweetheart? If I was going to write out here, what do I need to write? All right.
10.
10. Good. 10. Okay. And then
10.
what else? What else, Marissa? Go ahead, Marissa.
2.5.
Good.
9.
And what should I do for takeaway? What should I use?
Minus.
Good. Minus what else?
5.
Good. Good.
Equal 5.
Very good. Very good. You guys are great problem solvers. Look at that. All right. So now you guys are going to do it. We're going to do it on our paper. We're going to do 3 more on our paper. Everyone have this paper ready because we're going to write it in. Are we ready? Okay, so you're going to listen to me as I tell you the subtraction problems, and then you guys are going to write them in. Are we ready?
I don't want them to be frogs.
Okay, so Connie, if you don't have this one, Connie, it's okay, sweetheart. You know what you can do? Turn a paper around and write there, okay? On the back of a paper, you can write it, okay? So anywhere you have. Say, Tia, I need a paper. Say, Tia. Cualquier papel. Yo le voy a decir que escribir. Nomás un papel, cualquiera.
Mom, I need
aquí lo tiene ya.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. There you go. You're ready, sweetheart. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. So for our first one, listen to the story. And I want you guys to have your frogs ready. You guys are going to use your froggies to help you count. This is your counting strategy. Here we go. If there are 8 frogs in the pond, 8 frogs. Everyone put your 8 frogs in your pond. Don't forget, 8 frogs. Okay. Make sure you guys are filling in your writing. So write it in. How many did Miss D say? Good, Marissa. Good. I hear you nice and loud, Marissa. Good. I like that voice. All right.
I'm getting loud.
8. Okay. Now they got I had
Do you want us to draw
8 frogs were jumping in the pond, and then 8 frogs came out of the pond. 8 frogs left the pond. They got tired. They went to go sleep, and they left.
How many left the pond?
So Connie, remember, I have 8. I have 8.
No lo trajo tu mamá, hija.
7.
7 left?
So if I have 8 frogs, and then 8 frogs leave the pond,
Oh, 8 frogs.
because
leave.
they are so tired and they all wanted to leave.
So
How
8
many?
frogs have to leave.
How many frogs are left?
And it's over.
So Connie, I start with 8, right?
Left.
And then 8 of them.
0.
Okay, good. So 8.
No. Where's my pizza? 8 equals 0.
Good job.
Subtracted by the same number equals 0.
Good job, Guile. Very smart. Yes. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Good job, boys and girls. Yes. So you guys just did the first one all on your own. Very good. So now do the next one. Ready? Here we go. The next pond story. Are you guys ready? I have 4 frogs in the lake. So Connie, you should get 4 little circles.
Yeah.
4.
No.
How many?
Hang on. So we're doing the next one.
4.
4.
How many frogs in the pond?
Good job. 4. Okay. 2 of the froggies hopped out. 2 froggies hopped out. Okay. How many are left?
2.
How many hopped out?
Good. Make sure you guys are writing them down. Make sure you guys are writing them down.
2.
Okay, how many are left?
I want to see you guys write
How many
them
at the
down.
beginning? No. How many did you start with? Yes.
Marissa, can you do me a huge favor, sweetheart, and touch your microphone? Thank you, sweetheart. Maverick, let's see your work. How many did you put in? 4.
4.
You have 4 froggies. How many did you take out? 2 hop out. 2 hop out. So how many are left? Good job, Mandy. All right, so how many are left, Maverick?
4.
Well, if I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 froggies.
1.
Okay, put 4 froggies on your map. Where's your map? You see it? I only want to see 4. Okay, now I want you to take away how many froggies? 2. Take away 2 froggies. Okay, so take out 2 froggies now. How many are left on your map? On your little pond?
4.
2. Good job, Guile. So remember, Maverick, on your pond, look at my pond, Maverick.
I cannot see.
Okay, there you go. You see them?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. And then Miss D says to take away how many? 2. 2. So if you have to take away 2, how many are left?
3.
Well, let's try. Here we go. Miss D's taking away 1. And now Miss D's
And a
going
2.
to take away 1 more.
Put the froggy. Take it out. Take the froggy. Some of the froggy.
So how many are left, Maverick? Look at that. Count my froggies, Maverick. Good. I only have 2 left. Good job. I only have 2. Good job, sweetheart. So, very good. So now we have one more story to go. Ready? Here we go. I have 8 froggies in my pond. 8 froggies in my pond again. 8. So make sure you put 8 in your pond. Inside of your pond, you should have 8. Make sure you guys are writing them out. Make sure you're writing them out. So 8. Okay, 8 froggies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mariah, where are your froggies?
8 froggies. I only have 6. I only have 7.
You have 7. You need 8.
I can't afford.
You lost your froggies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, you should have how many inside of your pond, boys and girls?
8. There you go.
8. Good job.
Okay, now I have 8.
Awesome. All right, Sophia, how many do you have in your pond? Are you ready?
2, 3, 4.
All right, 4 froggies hop out. 4 froggies hop out. So make sure 4 froggies hop out.
That smells good.
How many froggies hop out?
4.
4. So take away 4 froggies from your pond. Everyone,
Equals 4.
good job. So Guile, what should I write right here, Guile? 8 minus
4 equals 4.
equals 4. Good job. Now, the other one I did was what was I forgot to write it. See?
4 take away 2.
Oh, thank you, Mandy. 4, what? Take away
I
what?
already said that. Take away 2.
Take away 2 equals
2.
good. Now, when you guys are done, you guys will draw your pictures all on your own. And you guys will make sure
I like donuts.
Yeah, you can make donuts. You can draw your pictures. You can draw frogs, donuts. I want to see you guys use pictures, just like we did for our solving strategy. You could do hearts like Miss D, anything you want to use. I want to see you guys use a strategy of drawing to find out how we got this answer, okay? I want you guys to do that. Now, with your partners, you guys will do the following. You will cut these out and just watch how I'm going to do it, okay? Watch how Miss D's going to do it. So when you guys do it at home, you guys are able to do it, okay? So it's called sort the difference. Sort the difference. You guys will cut these out. So open, shut, That's the way we...
Wait, do you have to cut a paper?
Not yet. You guys will do this for homework with your partner. Okay? All right, guys. You guys will have a worksheet that's called Sort the Difference. Everyone repeat after me. Sort the difference. Everyone say sort the difference. Go.
Sort
Good. So here you guys are going to have numbers. Everyone count with me. 0,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So these are going to be the answers, okay? And these are going to be the questions. So here we go. The first one. I cut the 1 out. What does it say? Marcus, what does this say, sweetheart?
5.
Wait.
5 minus 5.
Remember, you cannot forget that minus, okay? Don't forget that minus. 5. Naomi, go ahead and read that for me.
0.
No, read this for me. Read this.
5 minus 5 equals
Okay, and what's the answer, Sophia?
0.
0. So you and your partner are going to find the answer, okay? And you're going to put that answer, you're going to put your equation right next to that answer. Look at that. I know that Sophia said that the answer is 0. So I'm going to put, uh-oh, it's too loud. Marissa, can you please put your microphone on? And Mariah and Maverick, go ahead and touch your microphone, sweetheart. So I know that Naomi read this one to me, and Sophia gave me the answer. And I know that because 5 minus 5 equals 0, it's going to go on the same row where the 0 is. Okay, it's going to go right there. Now let's do the next one more together before you guys do this with your partner tonight. Ready? All right, so I'm going to cut the next one. You and your partner are going to do this together. Okay? You're going to help each other. Okay, here we go. Maverick, go ahead and read this to me, Maverick. Go ahead. Maverick, do you see that, sweetheart?
1.
Good, but how do you read this? 3 minus
Equal. I said equals.
Good. I didn't hear you. Sorry. Don't forget, guys, we have to make sure we read that minus sign in the middle, okay? So, good job, Maverick. What's the answer? Who can tell me the answer?
It is 1.
Good. So, I'm going to look for the answer 1. Where's the answer 1? Right here. And I'm going to put this one where it belongs with the number
1.
1, because 3 minus 2 equals
1.
good. So I did 2 with you guys. You guys are going to cut and do the rest all with your partner. So say, hey, Mom, we got some activities to do today. Hey, elbow partner, find an elbow partner. Say, we're going to do this together later, okay? And this will be some of your classwork. Just when you're done with this, you can take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw, okay? All right, don't forget to do your art for your subtraction stories. All right, let's get the TK to join us. TK to join us because we're going to